Here at Govardhan Eco Village, we're planning that this become a bird sanctuary by planting certain trees and bushes and attracting many birds. And there's so many varieties of birds. But did any of them go to aerodynamic flight school? Where did they learn how to fly? Science may explain it from a perspective of evolution. But even if that's there, where is this whole process coming from, which actually empowers birds to fly and to sing? Nobody teaches tigers how to fight. So nature is providing each person such potential. And in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna tells, and this is where the idea of evolution comes to a very spiritual perspective. Mayadhyakshena prakriti suyate sacharacharam.